All right, here we go. We're going to be pulling up to the parking garage here at High Street. And it looks like we'll pull into this first entrance here. So there's like resident parking in here because there's like a apartment complex right over here. And then there's public parking. And so we'll see if it goes for the public parking or if it tries to pull into the resident parking. Resident parking straight ahead. Oh man, nope, 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 nope. That is not good. So that was a failure. We cannot park in here. This is for residents. And unfortunately, the car didn't know the difference. So that was a parking fail. All right, so since that failed, I'm gonna pull over here. It's amazing how much, how bad the parking is. Let's see. Here's another parking garage over here. Let's try this one. And it's selected as parking garage. So now this will be a good test to see if it can get itself out of here. So in that sort of situation where you have these mixed use parking garages between resident and guest, I'm not sure how the car is going to be able to tell the difference in the future. I think someone left a comment on one of my other videos saying that the AI will have like some reasoning built in. I think they said maybe using Grok, where it'll be able to like understand its environment, but in that situation there wasn't even a sign that said resident parking only. It was just like you just kind of had to know. It is so hot in Phoenix today that like no one is out. Let's see. So the next parking garage is right here. Valet parking entrance. It went in the valet parking entrance lane. And let's see here. It totally was in the wrong lane pulling into here. But here's the parking garage. Now I believe there's a little lift gate here. There is, but it's open. Nice. Okay. And one of these spots would be great here in the shade. Nice. Wow, that was a success. So the first time, not a success. Second time, a success. That was awesome. Let's navigate out of here and go back to the other parking garage. Let's see. Was that the other one? Yep, that was the other one. So we'll just select it and we'll try it again. Let's see. So it looks like, according to the map, we're going to do that same entrance as last time. So I'm not too confident it's going to make the right decision. But it's weird that we didn't go left out of here. Now we're going up the parking ramp. Seems like a strange choice. But we'll see what it does when it realizes there's nowhere else to go. Very good. Good, it figured it out, but it's weird that it didn't go toward the exit at first. And we've got this gate here, so let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure when we pull up to it, it'll just open. Oh, okay, that was our way out that way. I wonder if there's another way out. Let's see. I don't think there is another way out. I think it's taking us... Gee, I guess the car can't find its way out of here. We're going all the way down. Yup, there's nowhere else to go. The AI is now trying to reason with us. Alright, let's see if it can figure it out now, or if it'll go right past the exit. Alright, the exit's right here. Let's go that way. There we go. I think we figured it out. Yup, there we go. So it did it. It figured its way out. And now we're going to go back to that other parking garage and we'll see what it does there. Let's see. We got some pedestrians here, which they're deciding to go around us. It's so funny that people can see through my windows and they can see the camera, and I'm wearing this mic on my hat and they're like, what is that guy doing? Filming a robot. Good, we got some... We moved out of the way for that, so we got a little bit of action there. I mean, the car does great when it comes to city street driving, highway driving. It's amazing. Now it's just figuring out those edge cases. Let's see. Okay. So we got to go left here. Oh, geez. What are we doing? Okay. Oh, no turn signal. Let's see. Okay. Not the Model Y, that car that was in front of us. Okay, moment of truth. Are we going to go back into that resident parking, or are we going to figure it out this time? Nope. And it actually says retail parking, but it's definitely not retail parking. It's resident parking. Okay, well, that's kind of disappointing that it wants to keep doing that, but yeah, that was my parking test for today, is to try out these parking garages. Definitely needs improvement when it comes to the parking stack, but overall, you know, Tesla has done a really good job at refining the driving. So I have faith that they're going to refine the rest of it with the parking. And, you know, it's just, there's so many different little things when it comes to a full self-driving car that, you know, even they probably didn't think about in the beginning. Like, parking is such a complex thing. There's so many different layers to it. So it was nice to see that at least one of the tries it was successful, but as far as navigating parking garages, I would say it still needs a decent amount of work. But if you enjoyed today's video, definitely make sure to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're updated when I make more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.